Yo, it's your boy Coach Mook, man. I'm back with another video, guys. Happy Wednesday, happy Wednesday. Listen, before we get into everything, make sure you download Chalkboard and use code Coach Mook to get a 100% deposit match, guys. We're not talking 10, 20, 25, 50, 75, none of that. We're talking about a hundo. Put a little $100 in there. Use my code. We'll give you $200 to play with, guys. Easy peasy, right? All right, let's get to it. So, day after the election, today, Donald Trump is president. It is what it is. It's been done. We move on. There will be no disrespect in my Discord on either side. Trump side, Kamala side. I'm all for love, positivity, and great energy. You know, so let's keep that positive energy rolling, guys. We ain't changing none of that. Let's get to it. So, play of the day, guys. NBA is back. We finally back, guys. Because yesterday we didn't have any games, and I know the whole voting system and all that stuff had everybody tied up, wrapped up. I played one hockey slip that chalk. I didn't really expect it to do too much, but it is what it is. So, this is my play today. So, we got Daniel Gafford over 10.5 points. We also have Russell Westbrook under 14.5, and we have Franz Wagner under 34.5 PRA. And let's get into it, and let me show you why I chose these picks, guys. All right, Daniel Gafford, first things first. Daniel's been on the heater. I know you see the last 5 is on. He's only 40%, 2 out of 5 here. But let's look at the H2H, guys. He went crazy against Chicago. And as you can see, for power forwards, they're ranked 30 against Chicago as far as points allowed. So I really do love this line, guys, and it's favorable on our end. Now, let's look at Westbrook's Let's look at Russell Westbrook's 14.5 points. So, at the under 14.5, OKC is going to want blood for Westbrook. Westbrook might mess around and get fouled, get into early foul trouble, causing him to do a lot of sitting on the bench and possibly not, trying to run to the rim as he normally does. Yeah, I know he got 21 last game, but he's 80% 8 out of 10 of going under that line. I really feel like that. And OKC is ranked 1 for points allowed. Easy peasy. And if we want, we can take a quick look at the H2H. He's only done that once, and that was in 2003. So I feel pretty good here. I feel pretty good. Now, Wagner, PRA under. All right, he is last 5, 9 out of 10, 90%. H2H, 100%, last 20, 90%. Take a quick look. He has never gone over on this team. And as you can see, for small forwards, they do allow a little points, but as far as rebounds, they're ranked 5, which I really do feel in the last 5 games. That kind of been his juice. 6 rebounds, 8 rebounds here, only 4 there, 22 points. So going over 34.5 will be a stretch. So I really love these guys. I really like that. Now we also have, let's go to games. And of course, I'm using Outlier, guys. If you ever want to tap into Outlier, the link for that for a 7-day free trial is in my description. Let's look at some college football games. I want to say we have, let me see how many we have today. We have one. Oh, this is a new, what is going on? This is a new look, ain't it? They must have just updated this mid session, guys. It looks a little different. Okay, maybe I was on something else. I don't know. So let's take a quick look at the NCAA games today. There are only 2 games. I already see a few that I really like today. We can take a quick look. Okay, I see some. Oh, I like a few of what I'm seeing. I really like that. On the touchdowns, it's pretty cool. But we're going to stick with what we have for right now, guys. So, go ahead and let me show you the play of the day again. Daniel Gafford, over 10.5. I really love this line. Russell Westbrook, under 14.5. That's kind of going to be an easy one. And Franz Wagner, under 34.5. If I'm saying his name wrong, whatever. Don't sue me. All right, and also, guys, if you want to come hop into the Discord, as you see, the Discord is free. Link is in the bio. In the description. And as you can see here, you won't see these channels. These are all my premium channels. And if you want to get into those, you have to join the Winnable, which is only $24.95 a month. And let me show you what that, guys. This was a few days ago, day before yesterday. As you can see, we cash in here. We cash 2 bands here. This is what we do. We're going to have a great day today again. A lot of NBA games. Let me show you exactly. Let me show you. Let me see how many we got to be exact. Let's go to games. All of these are for today, guys. All of these games are for today. So we're going to get some cash. So I'm going to send this free play to my Discord and my free subscribers. If you want to get in the free subscribers, you can also join that too. The link is in the description on my Winnable. But I'm going to send at least 5+ slips today. They'll only be available for my Winnable subscribers. So guys, let's go ahead and lock this in. To do that, use code Coach Mook when downloading Chalkboard to get a 100% deposit match, guys. And it's your boy Coach Mook. I'm out of here. Let's cash out, baby.